sitting there opposite you and she asks you, so like, what do you do? And you're sitting there thinking, oh, fuck.
When people ask, what do you do? They are asking about your work or studies. They are not asking about everything you do.
What do you do for a living?
When I wake up in the morning, I brush my teeth.
We know.
I bath, I eat.
Oh God. That is all you do?
You! Oh yeah, get out of my face.
In the IELTS test, they will usually say,
So let's talk about what you do. Do you work or study?
the two most common issues are forgetting to use a or an, not extending answers.
Do you work or are you a student?
I'm a student.
Let's start with the basics. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. Notice how the words I'm and a are connected. I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher. I must teach what is good and right.
If your job title begins with a vowel, all three words are connected. I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer. Now let's look at how you can extend your answer. If you are a student, you can say, I'm a student. I'm in the first year of an undergraduate degree in history. Note the r sound in between year and of, year of, year of, and the y between degree and in, degree yin, degree yin. If you have a job, you can say how long you have been doing that job. I'm a teacher. I've been teaching English for over 10 years. Or, I've been working as a teacher for over 10 years. I was an accountant before that. Note the use of the present perfect continuous. I've been teaching. I've been working. This will really help your grammatical range and accuracy. That's it for today's video, but there will be another video very soon. Please subscribe and click on the notification bell. You can also follow us on Instagram and visit our website. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.